Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This video was shot few years ago when I was at the top of a building and suddenly this VIP fleet emerged from the dark at the crossroads. It was such a long fleet and all the traffic on the intersection was stopped by security and police. As soon as the last car of the fleet goes away, the flood of people rushed from all directions, which was very rare and interesting. Please subscribe and press the bell icon on your screen. Please leave your comments and watch the video till the end. As you can see, all types of vehicle including two-wheelers in large numbers are now coming at the center, and behind them some more two-wheelers started creating conditions of traffic jam on the intersection, and there is no traffic control system, which all created the mess. Two-wheelers started filling the gaps in traffic, and two buses are slowly approaching the crossroad from two different directions, creating obstacle for whole traffic coming from all four directions. The most interesting part is that all the police persons who were present during the passing of VIP fleet are now nowhere on the scene.